Hello guys, this is Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting clickbank strategy that can make you a lot of money online in 2020. All you need to do is take action on this strategy, and only after taking action you can make money out of it. But if you are not willing to take action, you are skeptical, then you won't be able to make money with this strategy. So now let's get started and let me show you. None of the affiliate gurus will be teaching you all this secret strategies to make money online because they are busy selling their courses. I'm not here to sell any courses to you. I'll be talking about serious practical strategy to make money online. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you the entire process how you can make money online. And I really want you to make money online because I was also the same as you who was stuck in a 9 to 5 job once upon in a life, and I wanted to skip that, and that's the reason why I started on a business. And you can see now, before we start the strategy, I want to show you one of the very important thing. This is a YT supremacy course. Okay, now this is the thing which about this course is that this course teaches you how to make money online using YouTube, doing affiliate marketing. Okay, and the entire thing is covered in this course, and you can see that how to go from 500 to $5,000 plus on a month on YouTube, doing YouTube plus affiliate marketing. So both these things are taught in this course to you, and this course is on a very low price for a limited period of time. So let me show you that what is the price of this course for now, because you can learn a lot of things from this course, and this is something which I highly recommend because it costs just $14.95. For now, you are gonna get $5,000 worth of value and content in this course just for $15. And that's the reason why I recommend you to buy this course for now, because it can teach you a lot of things about affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing with YouTube, and you can make a lot of money doing this very simple strategy. So just get ready and make some money with this course. Okay, so now let's go to the content and let's start the content of today, how you are gonna make money through Clickbank affiliate marketing. First thing you need to do is you need to go to Clickbank and choose one of the product. Okay, so for example, for this video I'm gonna choose what your health and fitness product from Clickbank. Okay, so for those who don't have Clickbank allowed in their countries, they can go to a website which is known as Digistore 24. That is the alternative to Clickbank, but there are less products as compared to Clickbank on Digistore, but still the website is very good and trusted, and it pays you the affiliate commission. So you can also promote products from Digistore 24 if you are not allowed to use Clickbank in your particular country. Okay, so that's done, that's for it, and let's go to our next step, which is you just have to go to this affiliate program. Okay, so for example, we are promoting this offer which is known as research. Okay, now this is one of the best offers on Clickbank because it has an insane gravity of almost 817. That's the highest gravity of any of the product which has been ever sold on Clickbank. Okay, and we are gonna sell this product. I'm gonna suggest you a strategy which is very simple, very easy. Not all the people are using this strategy, and before many people jump into this strategy, you just start this working on the strategy and start making money with the strategy. So that's done, that's told to you. Let's get started, and what you have to do is what all I'm going to explain to you in this video. So first you need to find an article which is related to weight loss. All we need to do is go to Google and we will find one of the articles which is ranking pretty high in terms of weight loss tips. Okay, so let's find an article which is related to weight loss tips. Okay, so you can see that this article is pretty much ranking very good. Let's go downwards. Okay, successful weight loss tips. Okay, so 10 tips to lose weight. So let's open this article and check out what is there on this article. Okay, we are not going to write any articles, we are just going to copy and paste. But how you have to copy and paste, that's something which is really important, and that's something which you need to understand. Okay, so now this is the article. Okay, I'll accept. Okay, let's accept this. Okay, so you can see these are the 10 tips for you to start how to lose weight. Okay, 10 successful tips for weight loss. all you need to do is you just have to copy this article or any other article which is related to weight loss, as we are going to promote a weight loss product. That's the thing which we need to do. Okay, if you are not doing this, you won't be able to make money with this strategy, and that's the reason why copy this article. Once you have copied this article, we need to make a landing page. Okay, landing pages are really important so that we can drive traffic to that landing page, because if you are going to promote your product without a landing page, you won't be able to make most of the social websites are gonna block you. Okay, I don't want you to get blocked, and that's the reason why you just have to create a very simple landing page. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the particular website which can make you landing page, that is sites.google.com. So for example, let me show you the landing page which I just created, and this is really easy. This is nothing like a professional landing page. This is the simplest way to ever make a landing page. Okay, so what you have to do is, let me show you how I made this very simple landing page. Okay, so this is the landing page which is opening. So what I did was I just went to sites.google.com and just created a new page. Okay, and what I did was I found one of this kind of images. Okay, all I did is that clicked on this images and upload one of these images. Okay, just uploaded this image on this website, and the next thing what I did was I just embedded an affiliate link. All you need to do is click on this image and click on this, okay, insert link. Okay, and you can see this is my affiliate link which is already inserted into this page. Okay, so this is the affiliate link which is already added to my page, and all I did was publish. Okay, so whenever someone visits on this landing page and clicks on this picture, he directly goes to my affiliate link. Okay, to the affiliate product. Then what I did was I just clicked on publish. Okay, once you have published your website is ready to go. Okay, let me show you how my website looks like. Okay, this kind of landing pages can be used very easily. Okay, and anyone can make this kind of landing pages because it's not at all difficult. And you can see there is something which is this play button, and that's the reason why people are going to click on this image. Okay, and that's the reason why I have created this type of landing page. This type of landing pages do convert very well. I have tested it out and I have got a lot of leads with this kind of landing page. Okay, so your landing pages has been created. All you need to do is Control A and Control C so that your link can get copied. Okay, this is very important. So now what you have to do is you have to go to Quora and you need to click on the spaces. Okay, now you have to just click on the see all spaces. Okay, and you just have to create a new space. Okay, all you need to do is click on this over here, and you just have to make a new space on Quora. Okay, now you need to write the name of your space, what is the space about, and all this stuff. Okay, and make a new space. Okay, for example, whatever niche you are promoting your product in, you can make a space regarding that niche. Okay, now once you have created the space, all you need to do is copy the article of any of the website whichever you like. So for example, I have already made one of the space in Quora, and let me show you the space. So this is the space of Quora which I have created, and I am having one post on this space. Okay, so this is the space which I have created. Okay, and I have just copied and pasted one of this article over here. Okay, now the thing is that you have to paste your article over here, and you can see here I have added my landing page link over here. You can see that sites.google.com. If I click on this, you will go to this website which is and if someone clicks on this, they will directly go to research affiliate offer. So this is the way you can see this is the Clickbank ID, and they will directly be directed to my affiliate link to the affiliate offer. Okay, that's something which you need to do. Okay, so from there we just have to hit on the space, and all you need to do is just let's open this again. Okay, so this is the space. Okay, Now you can see I have just posted this in my space, and if I click on this, you can see just I just posted this 1 or 2 days ago, and you can see that it has already got 4 views. Okay, so four people have visited my space and viewed this. Okay, so this is the organic traffic which I am receiving from Google, and that happens every time whenever you post any of the articles on Quora in your own space, and that's something which you need to do. Okay, you need to make this type of articles, and all you need to do is when you click on add posts, just click on this add post. Okay, now you can type anything over here. For example, I have typed this thing over here. All you need to do is click on this and just add this. Okay, once you are clicking, you can add your landing page URL over to your post, any of the post. For example, I just copied and posted this post over here, and you can see I have added my affiliate links into all this stuff. Okay, I have added my affiliate link here, I have added my affiliate link here, I have added my affiliate link here. Okay, so this is how you are gonna do it. All you need to do is make more and more posts to Quora. Okay, just like this. Make more and more posts so that your posts start ranking on Google. Most of the things which are there on Quora, or most of the articles, questions, answers rank on Google, because Quora is a very high authority website, and that's the reason why most of the things which are posted on Quora, or the answers which are given on Quora, rank on Google, and you can get organic traffic to your post using Quora. Okay, this is one of the strategies most of the affiliate gurus are using, but they are not willing to tell you. They won't explain to you. But I'm teaching you, I'm telling you about this strategy, and this strategy works very good. Okay, so all you need to do is make more and more posts to your space in Quora, and you will start getting organic traffic day by day. It builds up with time. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna make one post, it's gonna get viral and it's gonna get thousands of views, but as more and more posts you make on Quora, they will literally rank on Google, and day by day you will start receiving a lot of traffic on your post, and in this way you will start building and building up a organic audience for your posts, and you will start getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate offers which you are promoting. The thing is consistency. If you are consistent, then you can make a lot of money just by doing this particular strategy on Quora, as well as you can also answer some of the questions on Quora. Okay, so what you need to do is you can also promote this post on any of the websites such as Google, Facebook, anywhere. Okay, all you need to do is click on over here. You can just click on Facebook, share this on Facebook, share this on Twitter, and this is a Quora article, and Quora is a really trusted website. That's the reason why you can share this article on Facebook or Twitter as many times as possible, and this won't ban you. Okay, they won't ban you for sharing this post or sharing this article, and that's the best thing about this strategy. You will never get banned, and you can just promote this article as many times as possible on any of the website, and that's thing which is really important and really great. And in this way you will drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate offers of Clickbank, and you can probably make a lot of money. This can be applied to any of the niche in which you are working. It's not specifically for the health and fitness niche. Okay, you can do this in make money online niche, you can do this in any of the niches which you want to promote, or any of the products which you want to promote in 2020, doing this very simple strategy. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, just smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos in which I teach you how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and all that awesome stuff. And do check out this video of mine. I have given you an entire YouTube business blueprint. Okay, most of the affiliate gurus charge a lot of money to provide you with this type of YouTube business marketing blueprint, but I have told you the entire business marketing blueprint which you just have to follow if you want to start your entire YouTube business and do earn money from that, as well as do affiliate marketing. So you can also check out those videos of mine, as well as you can check out other videos of mine in which I have shown you how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and start your online business. So if you are interested in this type of topics, do press the subscribe button and the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching, and also check out our Instagram page. The link is there in the description, and it's really some awesome content is there over on my Instagram page. So do definitely check it out. You will find a lot of awesome content which will motivate you and which will help you to make some great awesome money online. We'll see you in the next video, and then stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.